We're going to do a couple of minutes of Tai Chi movements for relaxation. Feet are about shoulder width apart. This movement's called Repulsing Monkey, and I'm going to follow my hand back and then forward and back and then forward. Exhale as I push forward. Inhale as the hand goes back. Allow my weight to sink with each push. Find a nice relaxed rhythm. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Stay relaxed. Can slow it down if you want to. And then bring to a close. Hands come together. Relax.